In this video I'm going to be showing you how to change line types and line weights inside of AutoCAD. So as you can see here, this is a polyline and it has a dashed line type. And the way that you can change this is, first off, you can take a look into your layers and you can set up your layers so that they have different line types associated with them. Alternatively, say that you're drawing on at layer 0, which typically has nothing applied to it. We can then apply different colors like we already have. So we have a blue applied right here, but I'm going to set that to by layer and draw a new one. And here we can change the thickness of it under the properties tab, and we need to make sure that this option at the bottom of the screen is selected so that our thicknesses are shown. Alternatively, if we want to apply a dotted sequence to it, then you can see that I actually have the dotted sequence applied, or line type, and I'm going to press Ctrl 1 to open up the properties menu, and then I'll change the line type scale to say 100, and now you'll see that it's actually visible. So I'll just raise this a little bit higher, 500, and you can just change that line type scale to fit whatever it is that you would like the line type to appear like. Alternatively, if like me, you don't like to have the line thicknesses on with this selection at the bottom of the screen, you can use a polyline, so PL, and then you can just create your polyline, open up the properties menu again with Ctrl 1, and you can change the global width of this to whatever number you see fit. So in this case, I've selected 300, so this should, if I'm not mistaken, be 300 mil wide. Yeah, so there you go. So yeah, if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe. There's a lot more tutorials much like this coming. Thank you for watching.